Hi, it's Mohammed from Raw Selection. Today we are going to run through the General Manager and President in Residential HVAC Services salary report. So we completed a salary report for companies below 50 million to 150 million and 150 million in revenue plus. To start with, the lowest salary for companies below 50 million we found was 130,000. The median salary was 181,000 and the highest salary was 225,000. 20% received 50% bonus or less, and 40% of these individuals were receiving an equity stake. Just to mention, we had 57 general managers and presidents partake in the salary survey. Moving on to companies from 50 to 150 million, the lowest salary we found was 140,000, with the median salary being 187,778, and the highest salary we found was 300,000. Again, 22% received 50% bonus or less, and 34% received an equity stake. Moving on to 150 million plus, the lowest salary we found was 150,000, the median being 226,130, and the highest salary being 360,000. 63% received 50% bonus or less, and 66% received an equity stake. Just to mention, from firms under 50 million in revenue, there was 9%. From firms between 50 and 150 million in revenue were 32%, and firms that participated were from 150 million plus were 59%. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on the details below.